Here's a little review of the Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. For the average do-it-yourselfer, for somebody working in your garage on your own bike, I would say it's a must-have. After going years without it, I'll never get rid of this thing. I've had my ZX-10 on it. I've had my full-size Yamaha Stradaliner on it, which is a 1900cc bagger. I've had a pit bike on it now. I mean, the thing works for everything. The stock wheel clamp on it is garbage though. I wouldn't keep that on if I was you. I would get a Baxley or the cheap Harbor Freight Chock that I have in another video that I showed you how to make it not suck so bad. Anything would be better than what it has. The Baxley that has on it now, I just have it resting against the front wheel stop there. It's not bolted down. The bike is stable as a rock. I mean, it's currently lifted up and sitting on the bar there. It comes with this nice bar. Seems pretty heavy duty to me. It kind of locks it, so you can lock it here as the highest it would be locked down on the bar, and then there's one other lower setting. To jack the bike up, there's 2 foot pedals. This one lowers it, this one picks it up, pump it up, and the bike goes up. Even picked up, I mean, the lift really doesn't wiggle with the little ZX-10 on it. I'm not too concerned. Would I store it high? No. Would I work on it just fine? Absolutely. The ramp here is a little short for my super low extended bike. Lower it, all you gotta do is pull the bar out here. It does have these kind of levelers. You want to put those down when you get the bike on, otherwise it will roll on the wheels. I've learned the hard way. I've seen some people put some rubber foots on those to make it a little bit more grippy. On my unfinished concrete garage, let those crank down a couple turns to get the wheels up off the ground there. I've had no problem with it, so it's not a mod I plan on doing. If you're careful and not retarded, you can get it to lower nice and smooth. There, it's down. Since my bike is so low, I have a couple pieces of wood I have here that extend the ramp up and lift it up so I can get my little bike on there. But overall, absolutely great lift. I'd buy another one in a heartbeat if I had another bike to work on. I mean, if I was working out of my own garage on bikes, I'd buy another one. But yeah, great bike. I mean, picks it up, not breaking your back, bending over. Even just cleaning the bike, getting ready for winter storage was 10 times easier with it. So if you're looking at one, you find a deal. They have lots of coupons for them. I would definitely suggest picking one up. Great little lift. I wish I would have got one years ago.